Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix you've made too many requests recently. Please wait and try your request later on Steam. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what I suggest to do here is to, if you're using Wi-Fi, you need to reset your router. So unplug from your computer, from your electricity, wait for 30 seconds and then plug it again. Look if the problem persists. If you're using Ethernet cable, you just need to go to view network connections. Look for your internet connection here and disable. Wait for a couple of seconds, maybe unplug from your computer and then relaunch it and look if the problem persists. Next thing, right click on your internet connection, go to properties, look for internet protocol version 6 and then disable this option here. Then double click on internet protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8 and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, open up CMD, make sure to open up as admin, right click on it, run as admin. And then here you need to put few commands. First command is IP config space /flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. After that, go to settings, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again after you reset your network. If you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing and it should work. And also make sure that you don't use a VPN. Sometimes the problem can be caused by, it's because you just use VPN. So go to network and internet, VPN, make sure it's not enabled. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.